let's go over the new wish list function on our updated website. Here's how to get to it. You can either click this little heart or click your name and find wish list in the drop-down. This is where you can see all the wish lists you have. Yes, you can make multiples. To make a new wish list, click here and give it a name. If you want to make the list shareable with friends and family, be sure to check the little box that says Share before you click Create Wish List. Now you can click Share and get a link you can send to whoever you want to see that list. When you click here, your computer will automatically copy the link for you, so you just have to paste it wherever you're sharing it. Ready to add some items to your new list? Browse our website and find the stamps you want, then simply click the little heart icon next to Add to Cart. You can either add it to a wish list you already have or create a new list right here. And there it is. When you're ready, you can click any item on your list and add it right to your cart. Don't forget to go back and remove the item from your wish list so you know you bought it. Simply click on your list and select Remove Item. And your wish list isn't just limited to stamps. You can add any item you want, like one of our popular stamp albums. This time, I'll make a wish list just for supplies. But wait, I forgot to share my list. Don't worry, it's easy to do it after the fact. Just go back to your list and click Edit. Then you can change the name or make it shareable. Now, it's as easy as clicking Share to get your link just like you did before. If you want to remove one of your wish lists, simply click Delete. Be sure not to click Delete All unless you want to remove all your wish lists at once. That's all there is to it. Let us know how you're liking the new wish list function or if you have any questions. Happy collecting!